Mac again. There's a pole. Dance, Mac!
You're gonna fucking dance.
He likes the pole dance. We'll get him later.
I'm the best at it.
You will.
You're making videos, don't you? Mac.
You'll get me pole dancing later.
I'll say, I just got it from it. There's like a skateboard, I thought. Yeah. That's random people skateboarding. That's Haley again. She don't like pictures. That's random people. Stay in there.
I think I know what you said about
And that's Katie! That's Katie, Jenna's older sister. Katie, say hi to the camera. I'm recording.
Hi.
Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me. And Katie again.
We're going to Albertsons.
We are.
You good?
Sure.
Oh, how's your boyfriend?
You're good. I gave him a kiss today. And that.
Oh, you're very sweet.
Pretty much.
Thank you for saying that out loud. That's, yeah, Randy. Person I don't know that has her lip pierced.
Randy's special.
She seems pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, Jenna.
She is.
That's Mac again, and I'm running out of time to time.